Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I achieve this fried onion okra soup? My meat, onion, crayfish, salt, seasoning, pepper. I will add cup of water and cook on a medium heat for 20 minutes. So now I'm adding my dried maluza fish. I will give it a good stir. So now I will add in more water and I like to cook properly. So here it is cooked. I set aside. I'll be adding 5 spoons of oil. I'll fry my onion. For those of you always liking my videos, sharing my videos, commenting on my videos, watching my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep sharing, keep commenting, keep liking. May the good Lord bless you. So I added onion, I added crayfish, and now I added the okra. So I'll just stir fry for 3 minutes. I added in more salt. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of this family. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. So I added my meat and my fish. I give it a good stir. Look at that, guys. If you have not tried the okra soup like this, try it and you will thank me later. I added just a slime of water and I added more onion. That is why it's called fried okra onion soup. So I'll just stir together and allow this to cook for 1 more second. Look at that. Enjoy.